Friends, hello! In this video, I want to tell you how to preserve the young grapevines you planted this year. It doesn't matter if they were green seedlings or one-year-olds. In my case, they are one-year-olds. Right now, they have actually grown this much, but they haven't quite reached the first wire yet, so there's no way to tie them up. But look, the wind isn't very strong, yet it still sways them because the leaves have already grown. And if you don't tie up the grapevine now, and the wind strengthens or there are strong gusts of wind, then right here, where it attaches to the trunk, this shoot can easily break off. And if they break off, of course, a dormant bud may awaken, but this year the vine will not have time to grow to the necessary size, and it will not mature, and in winter it will freeze. So now we need to preserve these vines and grow them big so they fully mature. I will now demonstrate what needs to be done. But one more very important thing, to help these vines grow faster, ensure to very carefully and thoroughly remove all side shoots from each internode right here between each leaf. Here, as you can see, the side shoot hasn't grown yet, but I break it off while it's still small so it doesn't grow at all. And we definitely break off all such suckers. We redirect the nutrients from these side shoots to the growth of the top. Otherwise, if they are not removed, they will start growing very quickly, catching up to the top, competing and taking up a lot of nutrients. As a result, our vines will grow short and not mature properly. As I said, they will freeze in the winter. And now we are already forming the arms on the one-year-old grape seedling. I immediately form 4 arms. Watering and fertilizing are needed. If you're interested in all of this, I'll tell you about it later. And what do? We take some sticks, or in my case fiberglass reinforcement. You only need 2 if you are growing, like me, 4 shoots at once. I have a very vigorous bush. On less vigorous bushes, you should grow 2 shoots so they can grow large and have time to mature. But even on vigorous bushes, we do not grow more than 4 shoots, the first year. Here I have 1 shoot, another shoot, and to 1 post using a tapener I very carefully tie it up, but not too tightly, as you can very clearly see. Indeed, right? Moreover, it is important. They walk because the vine will grow, become thicker, and it will need to expand somewhere in order to compensate. And this one I pin here, like this. Also here at the top, so this part doesn't really dangle, you see. Actually, it needs to be pinned properly. I also pin it down, and that's it. No wind can threaten us now. This bush will hold firmly, it won't break, and nothing will tear off from it. So friends, make sure to do this to grow the bush up to the top wire, and then we will definitely tie it to it carefully. While the bushes are still very young, do it this way. We will be fertilizing the grapevines, and as we are expecting rain, we will need to treat them for diseases. I will talk about this next time, so subscribe, don't miss new videos, and we'll see you soon.